Today guys, we are trying to survive the goat mom. I know, the cave dweller mode. The gun mode. We're trying to survive the cave dweller mode. Made welcome this guidebook will help you view all the add-on hot water. This add-on brings the new entity known as cave dweller into your world. An incredible, dangerous, and intelligent creature that only few can survive. Not much is known about the cave dweller, though we gathered all we could for those who were lucky enough to survive. The cave dweller seems to avoid light and from the overworld surface, preferring the deep caves and mines in the world. The nature focused on lone explorers, following them, stalking them, and learning their behavior. Never underestimate the dweller. The best experience do not read ahead. The following pages describe the cave dweller's behavior in details now. We should get home first, guys. I'm not moving. I have to cross I get other guns. Golden Desert Eagle. First, kill the ghost man. If you die, it's over. If you win, I don't know. On my next video, I will try to survive the miniature with this time, with gun mod. But I will start with no. I just hate the sound. And I'm lagging. Guys, should I go to that cave? Go. Not there. Okay. Nah, not go to the cave. Let's first make a bait. Okay. Cool, lagi. Oh, Hindi mo tadain mo. One moment. Ayun. I'm lagging. What? You have to make a base. Before we go to the cave, we have to make a base. Before we go to let's get wood first. You know, so I can well, water. I can't, I'm lagging. Oh, fine, let's go to a cave first. Okay. What are you doing? Okay. I need iron. Come on, going up there. If I die, I stop the video. That's what I said. So maybe maybe I will make a part 2. If I die, I will make a part 2. I don't wanna die. Well, guys, I will make a part two. I will make a part two. Maybe later. I'll make a part two with my friend. Goodbye, Che. See you later.